नमस्कार वेलकम टू यूपीएससी ओएस ए टू जेड। सो आज मुझे डिस्कस करने जाऊँ विजयनाइज टेस्ट सीरीज 2 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 टू। सो लेट स्टार्ट विथ रेफरेंस टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय द इलेक्शन कमीशन कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। इलेक्शन कमीशन recognizes parties as national parties or state parties on the basis of their post performance. Yes, this is correct. Then the recognition granted by election commission to political parties determines their right to certain privileges in the election. This is also right. तो जो स्टेटमेंट वन देला एटा कहा अंडर आसछि अंडर आर्टिकल 324. एंड स्टेटमेंट टू रे जो देछि द रिकॉग्निशन ग्रांटेड बाय द इलेक्शन कमीशन टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज डिटरमाइंस देयर राइट टू सर्टेन प्रिविलेजेस. से प्रिविलेजेस गुड़ाक कौन? प्रिविलेजेस लाइक allocation of the party symbols, provisions of time for political broadcast on the state owned television and radio station, access to electoral rolls, etc. So option 1 and 2 both are correct. So option C is the right answer here. The next question number 27. The Prime Minister of India is the chairman of. Options are Niti Aayog, correct. Then Interstate Council, this is also right. National Integration Council, this is also right. So option D is the correct answer here. So next we have question number 28. Consider the following statement regarding cabinet committee. They are the extra constitutional bodies. Then two रे देला all cabinet committee are headed by the prime minister. So option 1 एठी correct है गला. all cabinet committee are headed by prime minister जो देछि एटा incorrect because they are mostly headed by the prime minister. Sometimes other cabinet minister like particularly home minister or finance minister also act as their chairman, but in case of prime minister is a member of committee, he invariably presided over it. So option 2 एठी incorrect है. So option 1 is the correct answer. Option A right answer here. So next question number 29. In the context of global economy, society for worldwide interbank financial telecommunication SWIFT refers to which one of the following statement is correct? Option A, it operates as middleman to verify information of transformation of transaction by providing secure financial messaging service. This is the correct answer here. The United States of America and European Union have decided to partially cut off a number of Russian banks from the main international payment gateway, that is SWIFT. तो सही कंटेक्स्ट जेहेतु एबे एटा न्यूज रे अछि तो सही कंटेक्स्ट रे क्वेश्चन पचारछि. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर हियर. सो नेक्स्ट वे क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 को कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द फास्ट पास्ट द पोस्ट सिस्टम ऑफ इलेक्शंस इन इंडिया. सो ऑप्शन ए रे देछि ऑप्शन 1 रे दिस इज द सिस्टम व्हिच ईच constituency elects one representative. This is correct. The winning candidate is in this system must secure more than 50% votes. एठी incorrect because एठी आसे plurality system कथा. तो the winning candidate need not secure a majority of vote, that is 50% plus 1 votes. So option 2 एठी incorrect है गला. Option A is the correct answer here. So next है question number 31 को. Consider the following statement about the electoral bond scheme. So option 1 रे देछि all political parties are eligible to receive funding through the electoral bond. एटा incorrect है गला because सब political party को सब political parties eligible नुहंती electoral bond receive करया पई because only the political parties registered under section 29A of Representation of People Act 1951 are eligible to receive the funding for electoral bonds. So option 1 is incorrect here. Electoral bonds cannot be purchased by individual person. So it is incorrect because electoral bond can also be purchased by individual person or group of persons. So option 2 be incorrect. So option right answer here is neither 1 nor 2. So next we have question number 32 को. Consider the following statement. Council of Minister is an executive branch of the parliament and it collectively governs on behalf of the parliament. This is correct. It is binding on all ministers to pursue or agree to the policy for which there is a collective responsibility. This is also correct. So right answer here is option C, 32. C is the correct answer here, both 1 and 2. So next question number 33. Consider the following statement regarding the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Its membership is spread over 4 continents. Yes, this is correct. So 4 continent है Africa, Asia, then Europe and South America. So option 1 टा ठीक अच्छी. Then 2 रे देछि recently India was granted the status of observer member. No, this is incorrect. इंडिया को ऑब्जर्वर स्टेटस मिलेनि एथिपाई बिकॉज पाकिस्तान ताको अपोज करुछि. सो ऑप्शन 1 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर हियर. So next is question number 34 को with reference to interstate council which of the following statement is or are correct. It was established on the recommendation of the Punchi commission. No, this is incorrect because ये सरकारी commission under रे आसीथिला interstate council टा in 1990 रे. So इटा incorrect है गला. Its secretariat also functions as a secretary of zonal council. This is right. So option B is the correct answer here. Only 2. So next is question number 35 को with reference to money bill. Consider the following statement. All money bills are financial bills but not all financial bills are money bills. This is correct. Then joint sitting for passing money bill is presided by the speaker. तो money bill पे कभी भी joint sitting बसेनी. So this is incorrect. The right answer here is option A, only 1. सो ये आम क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 जाए डिस्कस कर सारी. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो कवर करवा. थैंक यू.